Hi, I'm Dr. Geeta Arjun. I'm going to talk to you today about some very sustainable menstrual practices. Today happens to be Menstrual Hygiene Day, and I think young women and young girls everywhere need to be aware of a lot of things about menstrual hygiene and about how to take care of yourselves and your bodies without hurting the environment. I know that the older generation like us has made a big mess of this world, of this earth, and now I think the youngsters have to step in and help out a lot. And I think one of the biggest changes that I'm seeing young women doing and taking up are the change in the way they handle menstrual flow, the kind of products that they are using for menstrual flow. And I think these changes have started to become part of the mainstream. Earlier it was not many women were aware of these options, but now very definitely there are options that they are adopting. Why do we have to be concerned? You know that the plastic linings of the pads are causing a huge environmental disaster. When these plastic or these pads are being thrown away, there is no way it's going to disintegrate. It's going to be on earth for the next hundreds of years. And more than anything, in a country like ours where we have a problem with garbage collection, this is going into the sewage system, blocking sewage, and there are any number of stories where you see people who work, the people who work with sewage and cleaning the sewage, who are struggling to remove blocks with their hands because it's being blocked with these huge amounts of pads. So what can we do? What are the options that are available, which are good? See, some girls have told me, why should we go back to things that our mothers and grandmothers used, which are cloth pads? But it's completely changed. What the older generation was using was a different kind of product. The products that are available now, for example, the EcoFem pads, which are cloth pads, they are reusable cloth pads, and they come out in very pretty colors. They're easy to carry, they're easy to fold, they're easy to handle. Suppose you're in the office and you have to change your pad. You go there, you take it, you roll it up, they give you nice packets in which you can put it, you bring it home. And then you can get it cleaned. And the big advantage of this is, first of all, you're saving money. You're not spending huge amounts on a monthly recurrent expenditure on pads. These cloth pads are very easy to use, and most importantly, the number of women who have told me that they feel so comfortable, especially in our kind of weather, the hot, sweaty weather that we live in. The people are so happy because it doesn't cause that kind of irritation, the kind of infections that do happen sometimes with pads which are lined in plastic. Now, these cloth pads, people do get worried, will it leak through? No, there is a special lining which is given, but the thing is, the advantage is you're not throwing this lining out every month. You wash them, and these are easily washed. They can be washed in cold water, they can be washed in washing machines, and they can be reused again and again. And there are different kinds of pads, both for light days and heavy days. The other product which has been very exciting is the menstrual cup. The menstrual cup is a very soft thing made of silicone. It's inserted inside the vagina, and it collects the blood, and it is so easy to use because it can hold almost 60 ml of blood, which is twice the amount of blood that a woman will not normally bleed on her, even on her heavy days. So you can keep changing it, you can take it out, you can wash it, reuse it, and people are really finding it useful. And most importantly, this does not go and ruin the environment. The menstrual cup can be used for up to 10 years, reused again and again. So I hope today on Menstrual Hygiene Day, a lot of you who will make this change towards sustainable menstrual hygiene days.